everybody. We're gonna make a jazzy cat today. What's a jazzy cat, you ask? Well, a jazzy cat is a regular cat, except it's jazzed up with all kinds of fun lines and designs. So let's get started. We have our piece of 9 by 12 white construction paper. It is sitting in front of us landscape style. I would love for you to use a pencil and an eraser while you are drawing. But for the purpose of you seeing what to draw better, I'm going to use a Sharpie. Here we go. The first thing we're going to do is find the upper left corner and think of a circle about the size of a tennis ball. That's how big we're going to make our jazzy cat's head. It just simply starts as a circle, like this. If you have a circle that you could trace at your house, like a coaster or a glass with your pencil, then by all means, go right ahead. The next thing we're going to draw is the body. If at any point you're not ready to go on, just pause the video and then catch up when you're ready. Here comes our jazzy cat's back. I'm going to start at about 2 o'clock. If this was a clock, where would the 2 be? That's where I'm going to start. And I'm going to go out and aim for the corner, making a big hill like this. The next thing I will draw are my jazzy cat's feet. So I'm going to start on the side of my jazzy cat's circle at about 7 o'clock and come out about like that. Here come the feet and legs. I'm going to put 2 legs right here, have a stretch of its stomach, and 2 legs over here. Okay, all you jazzy cats, are you ready to make the tail? The tail curls, and this is the outside of the tail first. So I'm going to curl it in like this. It looks like a number 9, doesn't it? I'm gonna make a little tassel here at the end and then go back. It kind of looks like a crown. I make sure to keep the same thickness of tail all the way back around so my lines run parallel to one another. It's time to make our cat's face. Inside your first circle, you're going to make another circle. Next, we make the facial features, starting with the eyes, here comes the nose, round those eyes out like they are footballs. Now that you have your cat shape, let's fill in our cats with some jazzy designs. This is where you can put in anything that you want. Just have fun making patterns, lines, and designs on your cat. I can't wait to see what you come up with.